into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot.
Hello guys, good day to all. Yep, I received an order again today, and I actually received 8 pieces of GSTORM 120mm fan. This fans is gonna be using to my belt PC. If you guys see my previous video when I unboxed the Fantech PC case, these fans will be inserted into that case, and I ordered actually 8 pieces of these fans. The color of these ones are red color, a dual LED, and yep, I'm so excited to unbox this one and to check as well if these items or all of these 8 pieces of fans are working before we can return it to the seller. Yep guys, keep watching. Guys, na-unbox na natin yung mga in-order natin. As I check naman, kumpleto naman yung mga ganito niya para ma-attach natin sa PC case natin. At yung kulang na lang is i-test natin if talagang working ba to lahat, to make sure na good to go tayo sa pag-build ng PC natin. So, ayun, hindi ko muna to ma-test at this moment kasi yung missus is nagwo-work pa sa office. Andun yung tester ko. So ayun, i-test ko siya mamaya pagkatapos ng duty na, and mag-upload ako ng new video to check these fans if these are all workings or not. And ayun, I'll put down the link below kung saan ko to siya in order. And kayo nang bahala mag-judge kung maganda ba or hindi itong mga fans na to. But as far as I remember, sa PC na ginamit ni Mrs. ngayon for online class gaming yun, naka X8 320 ata yun na motherboard Asus. Yun, ginamit niya for online class. Ito yung fan na ginamit actually nung pag-build na PC na yon, but yung team niya is blue, but ito ay build red team na naman kasi of course ando na yung blue. Maiba naman yung color. So ayun guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like, and my next video, I'll be testing these items if these are all workings or not, and I hope you guys can subscribe, like, and share to this channel, and I see you again to my next video. Bye bye.